Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. So, guess who's with me? It's Kelly. So today we're actually clearing out the Toyota. Yeah, it's finally here with me and Kelly. So yeah, this thing is pretty dirty inside. As you can see, I got my girl working. But yeah, we're gonna try and clean the interior. As you guys know, the head is off from the car. So I do plan on cleaning everything up over here. I don't know how Kelly feels about it.
About what?
About cleaning all this stuff up.
I want to clean it up.
But there's the head. The head is actually complete. I just have to put the intake, fuel rail, and all the other small things together. So yeah, we're gonna be getting these things done today. Unfortunately, I'm not going to do a time lapse of us cleaning it because yeah, my phone's main camera kind of broke. I don't know how, but it did. As you can see her face. But yeah, we're gonna clean up the interior. I'll update you guys once we're done with that. So we actually got 4, I think. I hope we got 4. But as you can see, the interior is out. Yeah, it's pretty nasty in here. Kelly's just clearing out the Cabio time capsule.
A lot of shit.
We're getting it done, we're getting it sorted. I'm actually in the process of getting my management pretty soon, hopefully in the next few days, so we'll be able to start it in the next few days. But getting a parts list of parts that I need for this car. So I know I need new studs for the wheels right around. I'm going to replace all 16 studs. I'm going to replace my rear brakes as well because yeah, I stripped parts of my 20 valve and it just ended up not being put back. So yeah, sold the 20 valve. So now I need to replace all the parts. So I'm going to be making a parts list today, and I'll just be taking you guys along with me today with the adventures of actually finding out what I need to get this car done and driving. So yeah. So it is the very next day. We kind of had other things that we needed to take care of. But yeah, we are continuing cleaning up the car today. I am going to be busy with the engine. I know I said that yesterday, but yeah, things happen. So let me just show you guys how bad it actually is. My dad's been on my case the whole day about this. We Kelly already cleaned this, so it looks basically almost new. Cleaned the gauge as well, but
Still a lot to do.
yeah. How do you feel, Kelly?
I'm good. I'm organic
So I removed the covers over here. We're pulling basically everything off just so that we can get in between everything. This car's been standing for 3 years, guys. I know that's really bad, but we're getting somewhere with this car. So we're just busy dusting off, just trying to get everything sorted, and then try and put everything back together, because that's kind of the main purpose of this, is just to put everything back together and make it as good as it once was, so, or make it better than what it was. So man, Kelly's gonna get cracking. I'm gonna try and get the bus cleaning and stuff, but yeah, it's gonna be a productive day again today. But yeah, we're back.
You put it on just like that.
Yeah, I guess so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna rebuild the head. Found the gasket I was looking for. Gonna clean everything off. Intakes over there, injectors, everything is over there. But don't worry, guys, cleaning everything off, making it look good. But more to the point, took the bonnet off. As you can see, bonnet is off, and the interior is super clean. Interior is super clean. We stripped off the bottom half of my dash because we needed to get like whatever was in there off. Fitted the back seat in again, but that's coming out. Kelly is super proud with how everything looks. So
Not actually, I need to steam clean everything.
yeah, she wants to get everything kind of like perfect, but making some good progress. I guess now I have to just rebuild the head. Once the head's rebuilt, I can actually fit it on the car and then we're going to power wash everything off because I actually don't feel like closing up the oil drain and stuff like that. So yeah, I actually got my radiator over here. This is a dual core brass and copper radiator built by Roper's Radiators in Epping. So yeah, they actually helped me a lot with my radiator issues because I blew up like 3 radiators with this car. But we're making progress. Gonna get this done. Super excited to get it done, and we'll take it from there, right, Kelly? Yep. She's super excited because I've had this car all the time and she's never driven in it, so I'll be taking you guys with me with the experience and everything. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. So I'll continue rebuilding it. Hopefully we get the head on today and you guys can see how it looks. So let's get continuing, I guess.
Oh, after my amazing job of cleaning this.
Yeah guys, so as you can see, me and Kelly is over here just busy cleaning the parts. She's busy cleaning the intake. Got the injectors on, busy cleaning up all the small things. So yeah, we're getting done. This head is going on today. Yeah, it's going on today.
Yes, it is.
It's going on today. Yeah, let's get back to work. Whoop. The head's on. Kelly's been helping me like kill it like today. We really on it today, and I'm just super excited now that we're this far. And my partner in crime, my partner in crime has just been like, yeah. So
What's super helpful?
super helpful, definitely. And it's really been what? We've been just chilling here. We've literally been chilling here. Like, yeah, the cams are stupid clean. We got the cam caps clean, but look at this. Like, really, just look at this. Like, it's just makes you happy. Seeing this, it really just makes you happy. Makes me very happy. So yeah, I don't know why, but just taking a step back and looking at this. Like, just looking at the shot is like, I'm happy. I'm just very happy.
You lost for words, that's what it is.
Yeah, basically. So yeah, right now we're just finishing up. I need to tighten down, like filter the head and things. I need to put on all the auxiliaries, fit the cams, cam caps, and then we're actually going to pressure wash the engine bay once I have everything connected, because yeah, we don't know what they're getting into the system, because I still have oil actually in this motor. So yeah, it's not like this motor's been standing dry the entire time, and I occasionally turn the motor to make sure that everything is still. But yeah, I'm gonna carry on. I'll update you guys as the day goes along. Super excited for this and super grateful I have someone as gorgeous and as helpful as she is. So yeah, and as you guys can see, I am wearing the OG Mike's Garage t-shirt that she made. She first designed, she made it for me, and basically just got it, and now it's a workshop t-shirt. So yeah, super excited, and we're just gonna keep going until tonight probably and getting done. So yeah, this is gonna be a kick-ass vlog. So guys, it is in. It's actually in the car and it's looking really good. So I'm actually gonna end the vlog here today. It was really good working on it, as you guys can see. Actually, I haven't been super excited. Kelly's sitting in the driver's seat for some reason. She's just as excited as I am for like just everything, and it's been really fun. Like, she's been helping me out like all day, and it's just been fun. Like, Kelly, what has your experience been like?
What do you mean, what is mine?
Like putting everything together.
Oh no, it's exciting. It's fun. Learn something new every day.
Yeah. So there's just a couple of things I still need to do. I still need to put on the tensioner for the belt, but I got the cams in, got the cam caps on, injectors on, everything else. I still just have to put the water housing on and then connect the loom, but as you can see it's very dusty compared to the Zaid, so yeah. But yeah guys, I'm actually gonna end it here. Kelly's pretty tired, I'm pretty tired, but it's been a good productive day. Super excited, long day, yeah. Super excited for what's to come, and yeah, hope you guys are excited as I am for this game's build. I'm sorry that it's not as detailed as some of you guys would have wanted, but it's at least showing a lot more than what other guys are showing. So yeah, I'm in the vlog here, so thanks guys for watching. Remember to hit that like button if you like this, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you in the next one, which will be in this week. So peace.